All right, we're going to introduce the common log. So a logarithmic function with base 10 is called the common logarithmic function. Here's what it can look like, or you can drop the 10. They mean the same thing. With your calculator, this will be your button, the log button. So here are some examples that you can type into your calculator. So go ahead and pause and grab a calculator. So if we type in the log of 1,000 in a graphing calculator is where we'll go through, is you would type log and then 1,000 and then enter. And what you're going to get is the number 3. If you do a logarithm with a fraction, be careful. You must add a parentheses after that 2 and then enter. And you'll get a decimal value. Again, I feel like you're hopefully following along and using the calculator. The next one is taking 2 logarithms. What you need to do is take log of 5 divided by log of 2 and then enter. Now notice what this says here. Some calculators will need the log parentheses. So you'd have to finish off the parentheses after the 5 and after the 2. And here's what your answer will be. Now there's one that I want to highlight. Log of -3. If you try and enter that into your calculator, you're going to get an error. The reason why is when you evaluate with a negative for a logarithm, it's considered not real because the domain of a logarithm has to be greater than 0. So here are some properties of the common log. They are very similar to the general properties. So here's any base, and here's base 10. Any base, base 10. Then we have our inverses below. So we have log of 100. That's the same thing as log base 10 of 100 or log base 10, and I'm going to change that 100 to 10 squared. This logarithm and this exponential are the same base, so they are inverses of each other. So that follows this property right here. So our answer then is 2. Let's do another example. Log of 10 raised to the 7.1. Change it to log base 10 of 10 raised to the 7.1. Logarithm base 10, exponential base 10, they are inverses of each other. So we get 7.1. So when you don't see the little 10 right here, if you want to put it in, just so you remember that that's base 10, go ahead and do so. But that's called the common log.